Hello, my name is Jared and thank you for tuning in. This is the first official video of the Dad Cave channel. If you're a dad like me or you simply enjoy DIY woodworking projects, then this is the channel for you. On this channel, I'll share with you my favorite DIY woodworking projects, tips, and tricks. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, enable notifications so you never miss a video. Let's get started right now. So here it is, the final product. I'm really happy with the way that this turned out. I especially like the color. Let me walk you through a couple of the features on it. The top here is an additional storage shelf for shot glasses, tumbler glasses, doodads, knickknacks, whatchamacallits, trinkets, whatever you want to put up there. Next, on this particular part, this is where your wine bottles will go. Cool thing about this, your wine bottles go in upside down. That'll help keep the corks wet and keep the wine from rotting on you. In addition to that, there is a spot at the bottom here to hold wine glasses, and you simply hang those from the stems. That's all for today's project. If you liked the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Also, share this video with your friends and family. Spread the word about my new channel. Let me know down in the comments below if there's any other project you'd like to see in the future, or if you have any other ideas for the channel. I'd love to hear from you. So until next time, peace and happy building. I'm going to see if I can't find a full bottle somewhere.